Here's a simple step-by-step guide to add and redeem an Amazon gift card on your account. On your browser, go to Amazon.com and sign in. At the top right, hover over Accounts and Lists and click Account. Now scroll and click Gift Cards. This page shows your current gift card balance and all past gift card activity. To add a new gift card, click Redeem a gift card. You'll see a box where you can type the claim code from the back of your gift card. If you have a physical card, gently scratch off the coding to reveal the code. Enter it here, then click Apply to your balance. Your Amazon gift card balance is now active. It will automatically be used on your next purchase unless you turn it off during checkout. Add any item to your cart and proceed to checkout. On the payment screen, you'll see Gift Card Balance listed at the top. If you want Amazon to use it, make sure it's toggled on. If the balance doesn't cover the full purchase, Amazon will use your backup payment method for the remaining amount. You can return to the gift cards page anytime to view your remaining balance and past gift card transactions. This helps you keep track of every credit added and every purchase using that balance. And that's how you add and redeem an Amazon gift card quickly and safely.